Well, one thing I remember about Hanukkah, and it's very different than the way Hanukkah has become, because Hanukkah has been following more of the Christmas tradition as the years went by, and all the advertising and all the expensive toys and all the things that, made a big deal of it. But when I was a little girl growing up, my mother made a little velvet little pouch for me, a little drawstring, not big, and the tradition was that everyone who came into the house put some coins into my little velvet little bag. And I can remember how every night, how excited I was and how I anticipated counting my coins. And I think I got much more pleasure out of counting my coins than the kids today get out of these big, fancy, expensive things, I can still remember the anticipation of counting my coins every night. And how exciting that was. And that's all that we got were just coins, and we got more pleasure out of that than all these big expensive things that people just get so much of. Now for our children, we tried very hard not to fall into the trap of material things, really. And those really were our true values. I don't have furs and I don't have diamonds, and those things mean nothing to me. They really were never my values. So we tried to instill that in the children, but we would give them something every night. So it might be a new toothbrush. It might be, of course, a pair of mittens or something like that. But it was just in the realm of something they could use, and it was always under the pillow of this wing chair. That's where their gifts, that's where they would go. Or either that, or it would go underneath the desk. Those two places would be where they look for their nightly gifts. But we tried very hard not to have them expect things that were, that they were advertising as the toy for the thing, because our values were not that way.